In this video, we will show you the benefits of using Leon's customer portal. The Leon customer portal address is customer.leon.aero. On the main page of Leon customer portal, you can see multiple options which you can use to contact Leon customer support. Clicking one of them will open this type of form. In Email Confirmation To, you insert your email address. In Summary, the title of the topic, for example, Crew Calendar Improvements. Below, you select the importance of the improvement. Importance Improvement Reason. And in the description field, write a description of your improvement. Additionally, you can attach files like screenshots or PDFs. Once you send the form, you will receive an issue ID number as well as the confirmation on your email address. Another much more beneficial option is to have an account with Leon Customer Portal and report the issues directly from your account. To set up an account, you need to go to the login page. The login button is located in the upper right corner of the page. Then click on the Sign Up option just underneath the Next button, input your email address and click on the Send Link button. On your email box, open the email from Leon and click on the Sign Up button. This will take you back to the customer panel where you will be asked to fill out your full name and select the password for your account and press Sign Up. Once you're within your account, you will see all the options you saw before, but additionally in the top right corner you can see a button called Requests and your account profile button. Reporting any issues processed through the customer support is the as without an account. But you have now some additional features. For example, you can now share your issue with other users from your organization. But the main benefit of having an account within the Leon Customer Portal is that you can see the total history of issues that you reported with all the details like issue ID. And you can contact Leon support within the Customer Portal and follow the history of changes in your case. See the priority of your case. Attach and receive any files within this case, and easily keep track of the support feedback. This is the easier way to manage your issues reported to Leon support team. Additionally, you can see any other tickets reported by users from your organization by clicking on the Requests button and on the name of your organization. This will allow previewing of any reported cases in your organization, so you can prevent multiple reportings on one issue. Sign up for Leon Customer Portal now and enhance your work.